Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are filming with a little bit of a different lighting setup. I actually was filming in natural light until the middle of filming this video when I realized that the lighting was so bad I just had to introduce artificial lighting. So I kind of have a little bit of an impromptu setup here. So the lighting in this video I'm telling you right now, will be very sporadic or very different. I do have natural lighting for the beginning of this video and then I came up with this setup, so this is completely different lighting obviously, but I hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, I was inspired to use the Juvia's Place Festival palette, which you guys know I have been obsessed with. It's just such a pretty palette. I can't believe I didn't get this earlier, honestly, because the colors are so pretty. But anyway, I'm just gonna leave you to it and leave you to enjoy this makeup look. I will have all products put down below if you want to see exactly what I use, but for the most part this video will be pretty much like music and me doing makeup. I haven't done that kind of a video in a while, but I kind of wanted to sit and relax and just watch a documentary on Netflix, which is why I decided not to talk for this tutorial, because I felt like I wanted to watch my documentaries. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this intro. If you want to see how to create this makeup look right here, it is storming outside, so I'm just gonna wrap this up. If you want to see how to create this makeup look right here, then of course keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the end of this makeup tutorial right here with the Juvia's Place Festival palette. I love how this look came out. I was originally just planning on honestly just doing like an all over matte red eyeshadow with like a little bit of like this slate gray color in the outer corner and then the lower lash line, but it kind of transformed into something a little bit different. But I do like this a lot better because like we have like this beautiful iridescent sort of eyelid and then of course with the glossy lip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this look and comment down below and tell me what you think, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.